War Day number 686. Yes, 686 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle remains. Regular puzzle. We have also in this newspaper an additional with 7 extra puzzles, but 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. So let me continue with this puzzle. This one will be 7773. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 23 printed digits. Okay, it's a 3 stars binary, but yeah, and it's a 10 by 10, I believe. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones. 1 2 3 4 5, and the rest of the digits. Oh, apologies, bumped the camera. Wow. Happened too often. Oh. Alright. 5 ones and 5 O's. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. We have a double one here. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well, and now between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. And now we have here double. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between those comes in 1. Now. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Still having here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3, still have 3 ones in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright. Same story. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3. Oh, between the, oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Interesting. I'm stuck here. Oh no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to compare now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Double 1 here and double 1 there. Well. These look almost the same here. Let me compare the ones here with these rows. Here we have a 1, here we have a 1, here we have a 1, and here we have a 1. The fifth one in this row is here. If I place the 1 there, then we have identical rows. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Okay, now I need to compare these rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now the question is the columns or the rows? No, it's not this one. Double O, here we have a double O. Oh, no, not the columns. How about the... Well, this column and that column. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 9 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.